What's up YouTube? Intricate Explorer here today, and today I'm going on an adventure with Combi with Haley, who is currently driving the Prii, and we are on our way to Bishop's Castle in Colorado, which is way out by Pueblo. It's like 3 hours from Denver, and it's this hand-built castle in the middle of the woods that this one man built entirely by himself just for fun. I've seen some pictures of it. My sister's gone and she says it's amazing. So we're going about 2 hours before sunset and we're gonna get some cool shots of it. I don't know really what it's gonna be like. I know it's probably gonna be challenging because there's probably gonna be people there. There's gonna be weird structures, weird lighting. It's gonna be awesome. So we are like 15 minutes away. So we'll see you there in a minute. I think I just passed my first travel blogger test and crashed my drone. Just flew it straight into a tree in sport mode, and it just hit the tree and just fucking fell right down on the cement. It was actually pretty funny. I was trying to follow the car in like a follow shot, and the tree just came out of nowhere. So first destroyed drone ever. You can actually see right there the whole front of it's just completely fucked up, and the ND filter is just cracked to oblivion, and the wings are shredded, and it wouldn't calibrate. I gotta mess with it a little bit more to see if it's completely broken, but I'm like pretty sure it's broken. But whatever, you know, got a good shot out of it, so.
All worth it.
All right, so we just arrived at Bishop's Castle. Look at this thing. Whoa. Read the sign before entering. We are not responsible for your safety. It's under construction.
Physical, mental, or emotional well-being.
Okay, enter at your own risk.
Experience foul language. It's perfect for your brand.
I know, oh my God. Do not leave valuables in your car. There are thieves. Look at this thing. Whoa. Okay, let's do it.
That's cool.
Whoa. Look at this castle, guys.
I knew that was gonna happen. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Can you stop?
I'm trying. Alright, we're gonna back up and try again.
The car just slid backwards. We're trying to get up this hill in a Prius. It's not working out.
We're gonna ramp it.
Yeah, we're going full speed ahead. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh, we're already sliding. Ready?
Alright, we're going one more time. Here we go. Ah! We did it.
I knew I could do it.
Haley's just a beast at driving Priuses. Alright, so we just parked and now we're gonna go in. Look at this thing. Whoa. Alright, we're gonna go up these stairs first. Whoa. Now we're in the main foyer. Whoa. It's like safe, but it also feels kind of sketchy while you're walking on it. I don't know how to describe it. This is so weird. See, there's just like broken pieces of like wire, and you're walking like hundreds of feet up. Kind of sketchy. All right, so for this first shot here, I'm gonna go super hard on the wide angle. And the reason I'm taking out the wide angle is because for interiors, it's so good. It can just capture so much of everything in the scene instead of focus on specific things and let the viewer just take everything in. So I'm gonna get the full spectrum of these window panes because they're fucking insane. I don't know how he made these things, but they're like crafted from metal, and he just welded everything. Like if you look really closely, there's weld marks on all this shit. And all these windows are just
monstrous pains. It's just incredible. And I'm pretty sure it took him like his whole life to do this because there's so much intricacies here. All right, now we're gonna go in this little stairwell that seems to lead up even higher up. All the way up there. Damn.
Cool.
Whoa. Don't shake and ruin this iron work. It could collapse. Fuck.
You gonna walk up there?
Yeah. Whoa.
Don't shake it.
Yeah, I'm not super good with heights, guys. That's like the one thing I'm not very good with. Holy schnitzel, dude. This is fucking ridiculous.
Oh my god, it's shaking.
The whole fucking platform's shaking. Oh my fucking god, I'm getting off this thing. This is unrealistically sketchy. This whole thing is shaking.
Don't shake it, it collapse. You can go all the way up there, look at that.
Yeah, wow. All right, so we're gonna go up the second staircase now, which appears to be a little bit sturdier.
It's not perfect.
Yeah.
I bet you didn't know someone could love you this much.
Bow, bow.
We're out here.
Yeah. See, we parked down there.
Watch out, that's broken. Ow! Watch out for that too! I feel like I need to crawl.
All right, guys, we made it all the way to the second tower, which is even taller. And
We're not to the top yet.
check this out. We're almost at the top. You can see all this shit. Look at the sun way over there. Damn, nice star formation. Yeah, we're just down
We
there.
should do sunset up here.
Yeah. This is what it's like to go down this shit, guys. Look at this. It's fucking ridiculous. It's like straight down. And there's like these little holes in it that you could fall through that you would just fall for like hundreds of feet. It's creepy.
Don't bring your kids here.
Just came down that staircase. Fuck that. I literally, you can ask Haley, I was crawling the whole way down. I'm not good with heights. That was
I
fucking
have
ridiculous.
a video of it on my IG stories.
That's the tower we just like climbed down basically. So, pure insanity. No wonder they say emotional well-being when you enter. I was like, what? Now I know. Let's see what other kind of shots we can get. All right, guys, so now we're gonna do a little bit of portrait work. We found these really nice stained glass right here, and they shine this brilliant light through, and they're like these different colors. So Haley's gonna get in front of them, and it's gonna shine all these different color patterns across her face. I'm gonna drop it down to 1.8, and I'm gonna use a 50mm to really capture the whole essence of the scene. So an 85mm with like portrait shot is gonna be more zoomed in and blur out the background, but 50mm, it gives you a little bit of the environment, and that's what I wanna do in this shot here. All right, guys, here's another view from the outside. I love that dragon right there. It's just such a nice touch. So we're gonna go check out this little guest house over here. This is straight up some New Mexico shit right here. This whole place. It's like just random ass shit in the middle of nowhere. Lots of conspiracy writings. Look at this, they're talking about the government and human rights and all this.
Saying that we're slaves to the...
Yeah. But, I mean, that's not a bad thing. New Mexico's fucking awesome. It's crazy. I feel like there's so many different cultural inspirations when they were making this. Like, For example, if you look, you can see the dragons almost like Asian inspired, and then the little, I'm not sure what those called, like the bulbs. You can see small ones right there. There's one right here. It's almost Middle Eastern inspired. And then these window panes, so it's like triangular structures, almost like Gothic Catholic inspired. So it's just all these different cultures coming together into one like masterful, beautiful building. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. Drop me a like, subscribe, you know the details. And we're gonna be doing some more Colorado explorations because I want to be in Colorado for a bit. So stay tuned, got a new vlog coming soon. Catch you later. Peace.